room and another door. This is what I did yesterday. This one. So we on door 3. We went so fast. This door. Yes. Hold on, let me see if I can go show you a closet. Yes, we're getting it in. And we put on this closet door. Yes, I was here to be helped. Yes. Okay. Now let me go outside and come holler at y'all real quick and tell y'all today has been lit. It's been made. I will talk to y'all later. A friend let me come help them do some labor. So I'm just learning new techniques and learning new skills and using my hands to be productive all while getting out the house and yeah. So I can know how to hang my own shelves in the closet if I want to and put on my own doorknobs. Yes. And drill holes and make holes so I can put on the handles to the closet and all kind of stuff, little techniques I've been learning. Having fun using a drill gun, ladies. Yes. Instead of sitting around like a sack of nickels, being bored, why not get out and be productive? Make yourself useful. But anyways, I will talk to y'all later. God's for big love. It's been a good day. I will talk to you later.